Thank you so much for joining us for our video series, Creating High-End Decor for Less. A quick note on our pricing. We've calculated the cost of these dupes assuming you're buying every single item brand new. We have used some quality products creating our dupes for this video. However, we highly encourage you to shop your home, look for cheaper substitutes, or hunt for thrifted treasures to bring these costs down even further. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel so you never miss a project. We truly appreciate you being here. To recreate the French country wall plaque dupe shown, you will first need to gather the following materials: a thrifted oval plaque, wood appliques, chalk paint, gold wax, and antiquing glaze. Once your supplies are ready, begin by applying a base coat of white or cream chalk paint to the entire thrifted oval plaque, making sure to let it dry completely. Next, arrange and securely glue your wood appliques, including the central bee and the fleur-de-lis accents, onto the middle of the plaque to mirror the original design layout. After the glue has fully cured, coat the appliques with the gold wax, using a small brush or your finger to highlight the details and give them a metallic, upscale finish. Finally, lightly brush the antiquing glaze over the entire piece, focusing on the crevices, edges, and the background texture to achieve that beautifully aged, rustic French country crackle effect. To replicate the French home original tray for just $12 as shown, you will need a thrifted metal tray, acrylic paints and stencils, gold leaf paint, and antiquing wax or glaze. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your thrifted metal tray to ensure a smooth, debris-free surface for painting. Apply a base layer of off-white or cream-colored acrylic paint to the entire surface of the tray to mimic the classic French country background. Once the base coat is completely dry, carefully position your stencils to recreate the scenic pastoral center, featuring the chateau, trees, and shepherdess, as well as the delicate floral borders framing the edges. Use your acrylic paints to fill in the stencils, layering the colors gently to achieve a soft, hand-painted vintage look. After the detailed artwork has dried, accent the raised, wavy edges of the tray with the gold leaf paint to give it an elegant, upscale, gilded finish. Finally, brush a thin layer of antiquing wax or glaze over the entire piece, wiping away any excess to settle into the grooves and create a beautiful, aged patina that perfectly mirrors the original $125 designer piece. To recreate the French country urn lamp in the image, you will first need to gather your materials, which include a thrifted vase and planter, chalk paint, a gold gilding and crackle kit, and a lamp wiring kit, bringing the total cost to make this handmade dupe to just $22 compared to the $185 original upscale store price. Begin the project by assembling your thrifted vase and planter to form the base of the urn, ensuring they are securely attached. Next, apply a thorough coat of white chalk paint to the entire base to give it that classic rustic matte finish. Once the paint is completely dry, use your gold gilding and crackle kit to add an aged texture, focusing the gold gilding on the top rim, handles, and base trim of the urn to mimic the elegant, distressed look of the original. Finally, carefully install the lamp wiring kit through the center of the urn base, attach your lampshade, and plug it in to enjoy your high-end look-alike for a fraction of the cost. To complete this French country cache pot, you will first need to gather your materials, which include an unpitted ceramic pot, high-gloss craft paints and gold gilding wax, fine detail brushes with glaze, and a sealer. Once you have your supplies ready, begin by cleaning and preparing your unpitted ceramic pot to ensure a smooth surface for painting. Next, Use your high-gloss craft paints and fine detail brushes to carefully paint the intricate blue and white French country toile patterns, mimicking the scenic, the French home, original style. After the main painted design has dried, apply the gold gilding wax along the upper rim and detailed borders of the pot to give it that upscale, elegant finish. Finally, coat the entire handmade dupe with your sealer to protect your detailed paintwork and add a lasting shine, bringing your total project cost to just $55 or less compared to the $145 original store price. To recreate this charming French country distressed candle holder dupe, use a combination of thrifted items and dollar store craft supplies. To begin, you will need a few key materials: a salvaged wooden table leg or architectural spindle, found at a thrift shop or salvage yard, to serve as the main column, a few small terracotta flower pots or assorted wood craft circles of varying sizes to build out the base and top, a strong construction adhesive like E6000 or a high-quality hot glue gun, white and gray/brown chalk paints, 2 clean paintbrushes, sandpaper, and finishing wax. Once your materials are gathered, the assembly process is straightforward. Begin by thoroughly sanding the thrifted wooden leg to remove old finish and smooth any rough edges, then clean off all dust. Next, arrange your small terracotta pots or wood circles around the top and bottom of the wooden leg, experimenting with stacking them to replicate the ornate fluted base and crown of the high-end Pottery Barn candle holder. When you have an arrangement that looks balanced, apply the strong construction adhesive generously to bond all the stacked components securely together. Then allow this structure to cure fully. After the adhesive has dried, apply a base coat of your darker gray or brown chalk paint to the entire assembly and let it dry completely. For the final distressing steps, apply a layered top coat of white chalk paint and let it dry. Then gently sand back high points, ridges, and edges until the underlying wood grain and darker base paint show through, achieving that sought-after aged rustic texture. To seal and protect your creation, buff the entire surface with finishing wax, and your affordable French country candle holder is ready to be topped with a pillar candle and displayed. Creating this upscale French country toilette pitcher, a convincing dupe for an expensive designer piece, requires only a few accessible materials and some creative application. To get started, you will need a smooth white ceramic pitcher, new or thrifted, blue acrylic craft paint, fine point gold and bronze metallic paint markers, or a gold leaf kit for more dimension, high gloss clear acrylic sealant spray, and a delicate fine tip paintbrush. Begin by cleaning and thoroughly drying your ceramic surface. Then, using your blue acrylic paint and fine brush, carefully hand paint or stencil classic pastoral scenes and botanical motifs across the body of the pitcher, mimicking the intricate toilette patterns. Once the blue paint is completely dry, apply your metallic gold marker to edge the rim, handle, and base, followed by a lighter touch of the bronze marker over the gold to achieve that authentic, slightly aged and distressed patina that looks expensive. The crucial final step to making it look polished and store-bought is to apply 2 even coats of the high-gloss clear sealant, which binds the details together and adds the reflective sheen characteristic of fine pottery. To recreate the high-end look of the Anthropologie Marseille lamp for a fraction of the cost, you will need a thrifted ceramic vase or old lamp base, a plain white dollar store lampshade, matte cream and white acrylic paint, metallic gold or dark wax paint, a fleur-de-lis stencil, a small sponge pouncer, twine, baking soda, a paintbrush, and a basic lamp kit if you are converting a vase. Start by cleaning your thrifted base thoroughly to remove any dust or oils. Then mix your cream acrylic paint with a tablespoon of baking soda to create a thick, textured ceramic look. Apply 2 coats of this mixture to the base, allowing it to dry completely between layers. Once the base coat is dry, lightly dip a dry paintbrush into your metallic gold paint or dark wax, wiping most of it off onto a paper towel, and gently brush it over the edges and crevices of the base to create an authentic, aged French country patina. While the base cures, secure your fleur-de-lis stencil onto the plain lampshade with painter's tape. Then use the sponge pouncer and gray or muted green acrylic paint to carefully dab the design around the shade, lifting the stencil gently to avoid smudging. Wrap a piece of twine around the neck of the lamp base 2 or 3 times, tying it into a simple, rustic bow to add that perfect, cozy farmhouse touch. Finally, assemble your lamp by attaching the custom stencil shade to your beautifully distressed base, creating an elegant, year-round decor piece that looks like a luxury boutique find for just $14. To recreate this French country floral arrangement, you will need a thrifted or dollar store ceramic vase, matte white chalk paint, a small amount of blue acrylic paint, a paintbrush, a crackle medium or school glue, a piece of sandpaper, wire cutters, floral foam, and a selection of faux white hydrangeas, lavender sprigs, and eucalyptus stems. Begin by cleaning your vase thoroughly and applying a base coat of matte white chalk paint. To achieve the aged, rustic look shown in the image, apply a layer of crackle medium or school glue over the dry white paint. Let it get tacky, and then brush on a thin layer of light blue paint or a secondary off-white coat to allow subtle cracks and blue undertones to peek through. Once completely dry, lightly scuff the edges, neck, and base of the vase with sandpaper to mimic a weathered, time-worn antique patina. Next, cut a block of floral foam to fit snugly inside the opening of the vase to secure your stems. Prepare your faux greenery and florals by using wire cutters to trim the stems to varying heights, ensuring the hydrangeas remain slightly shorter to form a full, lush center. Insert the large white hydrangea blooms into the center of the foam first to establish the main shape. Then tuck the sprigs of purple lavender and leafy eucalyptus stems evenly around the perimeter and throughout the center to add height, texture, and that effortless, breezy French countryside aesthetic. To bring this high-end French country look to life on a budget, you will need to gather your materials: a wooden embroidery hoop, about 10 to 12 inches, several packs of wooden craft beads in assorted sizes, natural wood tones, creams, and light grays, thin floral wire or heavy-duty jewelry twine, metallic gold spray paint, or gold rub and buff wax, 3 or 4 equal lengths of lightweight decorative gold chain, a hot glue gun with extra glue sticks, and a small wooden finial or large focal bead for the bottom detail. Start by separating your embroidery hoop and using just the inside ring as the sturdy base for your chandelier. Lightly spray paint or apply the gold wax to the wooden hoop, the decorative chains, and your bottom finial piece so they all share a cohesive, elegant, gilded finish. While those components dry, begin stringing your wooden beads onto the wire or twine, varying the sizes and colors to mimic the draped, graduated patterns seen in the high-end boutique version. Once you have multiple strands prepared, securely tie or wire them at equal intervals around the perimeter of the hoop, letting them drape gracefully down toward the center point beneath the hoop. Bring all the loose ends of the draped bead strands together at the very bottom center, Secure them tightly with wire, and hot glue your painted wooden finial over the knot to completely conceal it and give the bottom a polished, professional look. Next, attach 3 or 4 strands of your painted gold chain to the top rim of the hoop at perfectly spaced intervals, bringing them up to meet at a single top point where they can be joined by a central hanging ring or hook. For an extra touch of rustic elegance, you can craft smaller, tighter loops of beads to drape along the upper chains, or add a subtle whitewash acrylic paint to the wooden beads to give them a weathered, chalky texture. Hang your completed French country bead chandelier over a dining table, in a cozy reading nook, or as a statement piece in an entryway to instantly elevate the space with timeless, upscale charm for just a fraction of the boutique price. To recreate this elegant French country birdcage decor, you will need a thrifted or dollar store wire birdcage, matte white or ivory chalk spray paint, fine grit sandpaper, a small block of floral foam, preserved green moss, a few faux clip-on craft birds, hot glue, and wire cutters. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your birdcage to remove any dust or grease, and once it is completely dry, apply 2 thin, even coats of the matte white or ivory chalk spray paint to both the interior and exterior surfaces, allowing it to dry fully between coats. To achieve that authentic, high-end, distressed French country look, gently rub fine grit sandpaper along the raised edges, filigree details, and latches of the cage, exposing just a hint of the dark metal underneath. Next, use your wire cutters to trim a small block of floral foam so it fits snugly inside the bottom of the cage, then secure it with a few drops of hot glue. Generously cover the foam base and portions of the lower wire tiers with your preserved green moss, gluing it down in natural clusters to mimic a weathered, organic growth. Finally, enhance the scene by nesting your faux craft birds among the moss and clipping or gluing 1 or 2 onto the inner wire perches. Then close the latch and place your finished high-end dupe on a rustic wooden table or mantle for a timeless, year-round accent. A huge thank you to our amazing community. Whether you've been here since day 1 or you're just stopping by for the first time, thank you so much for watching. It is incredibly rewarding to share these high-end looks without the high-end price tags with all of you. To our loyal viewers, your ongoing support, comments, and shared creativity mean the world to us. You are the reason we keep hunting for the best design inspiration. To our new visitors, welcome to the family. If you love finding upscale style on a budget, we'd love to have you stay. Don't miss out. Subscribe today. We are constantly hunting for fresh, new, and exciting home decor trends to recreate for a fraction of the cost. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our next budget-friendly transformation.